Welcome! In today's guide, we'll explore how to send a message to a group on Instagram, ensuring you stay connected with friends and family. Let's dive into the updated steps that make this process simple and efficient. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. The app's interface is user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate through its features. Next, click on the Messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon resembles an airplane or a speech bubble, depending on your app version. Tapping this will take you to your Direct Messages section, where all your conversations are stored. Now that you're in the Messages section, find the group you want to message. If you've previously created a group chat or have been added to one, it should appear in your list of conversations. You can scroll through or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group. Once you've selected the group, it's time to write your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can express your thoughts, share updates, or simply check in with everyone. Instagram also allows you to send photos, videos, or even voice messages if you prefer a more personal touch. Finally, click Send when you're ready to share your message with the group. Your message will instantly appear in the chat for all members to see and respond to. This feature is perfect for planning events, sharing news, or just staying in touch with multiple people at once. Remember, Instagram allows you to create groups with up to 32 members, making it a versatile tool for communication. Whether you're coordinating plans or just catching up with friends, sending messages in groups can enhance your social interactions. That's all there is to it. With these straightforward steps, you can easily send messages to groups on Instagram and keep your conversations lively and engaging. Happy messaging!